Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. And today we're going to take a look at the 2018 345 Conquest. We just took this boat on trade. You notice she has triple 350 white Verados. Joystick Piloting. Has the optional port side seat, which you can fold up and get out of your way if you're not using, as well as the bench seat in the back. Creates a nice fishing platform, big cockpit area. You have the optional table that goes in here in the center. Off to the port side, Yeti cooler, tackle storage drawers. You have the built-in grill. It's a nice setup. Moving up towards the helm area, on the starboard side, you'll notice you have a pull-out 5-gallon bucket storage here. Strata-glass enclosure, air-conditioned helm in this area. You have a nice table settee area here. Large captain chair. You'll notice the double ray marine screens. Joystick piloting again, which has skyhook and autopilot built in. Active engine trim. VHF radio. You'll notice the great visibility here in the front. You also have a nice window if you want some fresh air, and the optional skylights that are built into the hardtop to let in fresh air as well. Now we'll go down and take a look in the cabin below. The cabin of the 345 is very spacious. You see original Boston Whaler owner's bag here. This table actually drops down. The two seats slide over to make your full bed. Blue mood lighting. Nice rod storage on the starboard side. In the back, so you can see everything's brand new in the plastic. Nice large bed back here. Port side, fridge, has the optional cooktop, upgraded countertops, nice spacious head. Nice hardwood flooring throughout, and the high gloss table. Again, my name was Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. If you'd like to take a look at this boat in person, I can be reached at 910-256-8100. Thanks for taking a look today.